Hello guys, what's up? I'm back again with another video after a long time. Today this is the second video of C programming. Today we will discuss about two escape sequences and command line. So let's start. Before starting, please smash the subscribe button and click the bell icon. You know we are doing our programs on CodeBlocks IDE, so I am opening my CodeBlocks IDE. Now we need to create a empty file by just pressing Ctrl Shift and N together. We can open a empty file. After opening this empty file, we need to highlight our syntaxes by pressing Ctrl and H together. Here you see it is my C and C++ editor. But before doing that, you need to assign your own shortcut key from the settings menu. I will show you at the end of this video. Now we need to just type our basic syntax here, like we need to include our standard input and output header file here. Include standard input output dot header file. Now we need to add a main function because every C program uses a main function here. And now a main function, after a main function, the program what it contains, it will be enclosed within two braces. So I have given a brace here. Now you know, if we want to print something, if we want to give a output, if you want to show a output, we need to use a standard library function which is printf. So I'm just typing printf here and typing, suppose we are typing my name, that means my name, and my name is Tanim is there, and we need to give a semicolon at the end of each statement, and lastly we need to execute return 0 if the program works correctly. Now you see the content is enclosed within two quotation, it is must. Now we need to build our program. I'm just clicking on the settings like icon, and we can do whatever name it is. We can give it name program. Okay, name program, and it will take some time. And it okay. Now just please click on run, and here you see this is my name, and it will show your name here if you give your name on the content. Maybe we have seen this before in my last video, maybe you have seen this, but it is not the list of this video. At the very beginning I have told you that we will learn about two escape sequences. So what is escape sequences? Like if you want to give a line break here, you need escape sequence. If you want to give a horizontal space, you need to know the escape sequence. If you want to give a vertical space, you need to give a escape sequence. So what are the escape sequence? Maybe you are clear now. Just suppose if I want to give a space, give a line break between Tanim and Istihaq, then I need to give a \n, like this one, \n. Just build this program again and run it again. Here you see the Tanim is on the first line and Istihaq is in the second line. So if you give more \n, the more space will be created. Like this one, if I give again a \n and just build it and click on run, here you see an extra more space is created here. If I give another \n, then it will create something like more. Here you see two extra lines here. Thus the \n escape sequence works. Now we will learn about the horizontal space. Like you know, if I want to give a horizontal space, we can use another escape sequence which is \t, like this one. If I want to show my name Tanim and big space horizontally and Istihaq, then we need to \t and Istihaq. and we need to give a semicolon at the edge of end, and now just build it. Here you see tanim istiak tanim, and here is a long horizontal space and istiak. So you maybe have questions like this one, that tanim and istiak is on the same line. Why this is on? Why this is happened? Because you haven't put any backslash in here. If you put a backslash in here, then you just build it and run it. Here you see tanim and istiak is on the two different lines, and tanim horizontal space istiak is on the same line. Okay. Now if you want to give another space, just backslash n and just print it. Here you see it's aesthetic now, right? Just kidding, it's not aesthetic. You know, in command line programs nothing is aesthetic, because if you see this is a no GUI interface, because there are no graphical user interface. But if you want to give a graphical user interface, you need to do object oriented programming, and C language is the core programming language. It is not object oriented, but I don't want to talk about them much later. I will talk about them much later, and it's only the beginning, bro. It's only the beginning. So where we are now, here you see you have already learned two escape sequences, \n and \t, and I told you that I will today we will learn also command line. And what is command line? Command line is some lines which will not show in the program. It's like HTML. You know, many of us have already learned web designing. We know what is command line. Command line are not those which are shown in the program. Command lines are for those programmers who want to understand the program. Like here we have discussed about what? We have discussed about escape sequences. So if we make a command line by giving two slash, we can make a command line like this one. Here I am using, what we are learning today, we are learning escape sequences. So we can type program about escape sequences. Here you see this is a blurry line, right? And if we build this program now, here you see no sign of this line. Okay, no sign of this line. Program out escape sequences, no sign of this line in the command lines. This is the comment line, and many programs many programmers do it on their way. Write this one like this one. If you backslash and star, then it will also create a comment line like this one. Is program about escape sequences, and we need to end this this. So I'm just putting it end. Now if we build this program and click on run, no sign of these lines because they're comment line. Okay, so what's the difference between these two functions, between these two methods? If you see that for this option, for two forward slash, if I give a line break here, the command line won't work. But if we use this method and if we give a line break, it will still work like this one, like this one. And but if I make another line here, how do we type here? No, it not works. It does. Now if you want to build it, here you see in line 5, that means this line it not works. There are errors because it is not under the command line and it is no basic syntaxes. But if we put a forward slash, then it will become a command line. But if you use these options, if you use this method, there are no problem like this. Okay, that's all for today. And oh sorry, I have already forgotten that we need to assign our shortcut key by clicking on settings and go to editor, and here's get options here, which is keyboard shortcuts, and go to keyboard shortcuts and go to click on file and click on edit. Here you see highlight mode, and if you click on highlight mode and just click on C and C++, here you assign your own shortcut. I have already assigned Ctrl plus H. And finally, this is the end of our video, and tomorrow we will learn something new. So for the time, stay happy, stay cool, stay with what? Internet.